Hello, everyone. Welcome to week 15. Everyone did a wonderful job with your new classroom projects. I've looked at some of those that were posted earlier in the week, and I'll be grading those over the next few days. But everyone did a great job finding developmentally appropriate schedules and rules and reflecting on the importance of really meeting the individual needs of students. So it is week 15. It is our last week of the semester. I know it's been a bit of a crazy and strange semester, but you guys did it. You finished strong, so you should be very proud of all you've accomplished this semester. So you have only one assignment due for me this week, and that is to complete your final exam. So I have posted your final exam here as a Word document. So if you click on this little drop down arrow, the easiest thing to do would be to come down here to download it. So I've got it right. I have to move me to click on it. I have it right here. So the answers that are short answer, you can just type right into the Word document. The questions that are multiple choice, you can just highlight those, bold those, whatever you want to do for those. Same with true or false. You can bold or highlight your answer and then go through and fill out your short essay answers. Then please save your document. And once you've saved your document, you're going to upload it right here. So submit your completed final exam here. Also, I've included a Module 15 discussion board. This isn't graded. It wasn't on your timeline, so I'm not going to grade it. But I just wanted you to have an opportunity and have some place where you could say goodbye to each other and also reflect on our course. So I just have a couple questions here. What will you remember about our class? What did you learn about classroom management? And what's the most important thing you will take away from our class? Also, feel free to use this as an opportunity to say goodbye to each other so that you can have some closure with your classmates. But I have very much enjoyed getting to know all of you. I love the morning meetings that we had. If you did not teach your morning meeting during the semester and you haven't emailed me your morning meeting yet, please do that. Please go ahead and prepare your morning meeting and email that to me as a PowerPoint or a presentation so I can grade that and post your grade. But other than that, the only thing you have due this week is your final exam. So the last day of the semester is a little early because it's the last week. It is Friday. So your final exam needs to be completed by midnight on Friday, May 1st.
Wait.
Okay, and Leilani wanted to say goodbye to you. So let me make this bigger so she can see. Okay, so what do you want to tell my students?
Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.
We hope you have a wonderful summer. Stay safe and stay well, and hopefully we will get to see you before too long. So I will miss you all. Take care. Bye-bye.
And don't get sick.
Yep, don't get sick. Bye-bye.
And go into sickness.